Kerala standing over here to present my chart based on safe environment. Environment is everything around us. You probably know that you need a healthy environment for your health and happiness. So I have made some tips based on it. First is 3R. You may know that how much important is waste management is. We can help in this in waste management by learning about the importance of 3R, which means reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means to minimize the dust we create. Reuse means to reuse the thing more than one time, and recycle means to use it another in a new way. So next is save tree. We all have to save tree. They contribute a lot in our environment. They renewable, which means they have limited supply, and if they are used in once, that is gone for good. Next is save energy. The energy is very important. We use energy in many ways. Like we have to save water. Water is very important. Many people don't get waters, but we are getting a drop of in a year. Many
Wonderful good morning to you all. How are you? Respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends, I would like to thank our principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity to stand here and represent my chart. Well, as you can see that I have made a chart based on environment. How can we improve the environment of Purola? Well, as you can see that I have drawn some points to improve the environment of Purola. Well, my point number 1 is protect environment and save animals. All the animals plays an important role in balancing the nature. Mostly the people kills here like peacock they kill, and after that they sell their feathers to the market. It is not good because the beauty of the nature is also related to the animals, so we should save the animals. Now my second point is stop pollution and no plastic. Stop pollution means we should not create any pollution. From mostly the pollution comes from the industries, like the factory manufacture thousand of the things in a one day, and it produces pollution. And from burning also the pollution produces spares, so we can feel difficulty to breathe, and the percent of oxygen also gets down. Now no plastic. We should use plastic less possible we can. If we use plastic less, so the plastic pollution also decreases, and we should use, instead of using plastic polythene, we should use jute bags or cotton bags. Number 3, reduce, reuse, and recycle. The 3 ways we should always use them. Reduce means every pollution we should reduce, and number 2, reuse means if we had make something, so we can use in another way. And recycle means the things which is made from the factories or anywhere of and from anywhere. Eat leftover and clean the trash. We should eat leftover, because if we left the some if we prepare another food by that, like if we left some rice, so we can make fried rice from it. And we should clean the trash. If we so the oxygen percent also get increases. Thank you.
Morning to you all. My name is Shagun Naryal. I am from class 6, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to thank our principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity to stand here and to represent my project chart with you all. Well, I have drawn and written here some points about how we can save the polar environment and how we can improve it. So first of all, I have drawn here save animals. We should save the animals because they also plays a very important role to balance the nature. We should don't throw the garbages in the river because the aquatic animals can't survive, so we should save the animals. The second is grow plants. We should grow plants because they provide us oxygen as well as food, which is very important for us to easily survive, so we should grow more plants. The third is save energy. The energy is a very precious resource on the earth. If we save the energy, it means we are producing more energy, so we should save the energy. The fourth is don't litter. We should don't litter anywhere because it is not good. Some animals can come and eat it and they can't survive, so we should don't litter everywhere instead of throwing in the garbage. And the fifth is stop pollution. We should stop the pollution because it can pollute in our air, and by that we can cause many diseases. So we should stop the pollution. The sixth is 3R. It means recycle, reduce, and reuse. If we use this process, then we can use things instead of throwing in the garbage. If we use this like plastic, it takes many years to end. So we should recycle it and we can reuse this. So we should use this process. And the seventh is save water. We should save the water because it is very important for us and especially for your human surviving. Earth have 1% fresh water for drinking and the other rest all are ocean water which is salty. And if we don't save the water, then we can face the problem of water shortage also. So we can save the water. And the last eight is don't cut the trees. We should don't cut the trees because they provide us oxygen which is very important for us. If we cut the trees, then there will be no oxygen. Then we can die in 5 or 6 minutes. So we should don't cut the trees. Thank you.